Lay down, Jules.
Woo!
He leaves a cup on his belly.
Ready?
I'm like too close to it.
Oh, I don't think his hands are behind his head, Jules.
Yeah.
He doesn't even have his hands out. No, he doesn't. Ready? Hold on.
Moon likes it.
Roller coaster.
Jules, who's your best buddy?
He's just sitting there loving it.
Hi, buddy.
What's this, buddy? Hold on, hold still.
Hi, Bud. Hi. Say hi.
You just got something in your fur.
Don't pull her hair. Don't pull her hair. She just said you guys were best buddies.
Oh, come to